My journey into education started by coming down to the College of Further Education, and it was those that kind of springboarded me on with the access course. I did access to health. The tutors who were there were very supportive. You know, any questions you had, they would go and find answers for you. You know, they would turn up with phone numbers. We've heard about this, have a call, give them a ring, see what's happening. You know, that push there, the sitting down and helping you to sit and write your UCAS statement, because I've never done it before, so how do you start? They were there, that support they gave was fantastic.
When I started Hartlepool College, my confidence was abysmal. I think one of the advisors encouraged me to sort of put myself out there more and encouraged. I think that was like a big step forward for me. There's more to Hartlepool College than just the work, and I think that's what people need to realise.
I'd say what impresses me most about the college has been the support, really. I mean, yeah, the facilities are good and the teaching itself's great, but the outside support that they can give you outside the lessons is really good. That's what's impressed me the most.